Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Basarath, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can install an Active E Commerce CMS script for free on any given server. So before getting started, I would really like you to subscribe, share, like and hit that notification bell to receive future information regarding any videos. So let's get started. If you want to see the front end of the website, just click on the live preview button down. This is the front end of the website. It's very clean, modern and minimalistic design with user functionality in mind. It's also a multi-vendor script where multiple sellers can promote their products and you will earn a commission from it. And let's now get back to the Code Canyon. As you can see, the regular license is around $59 and the extended license is around $525. So not everyone have that kind of money lying around. So I have already bought it, and you can download this Active E Commerce script from the blog, and I will give that link in the description below. Or you can just log on to kashmircaps.com/free download Active E Commerce script. And you can see this is the script, Active E Commerce CMS version 6.3.1 free download. And just go down and you can see it will only take you 2 minutes to read this whole blog if you want. Now there's a section called download Active e-commerce free script right here. If you want, you can see the live demo from here also, and you can just click on any link and it will redirect you to a service provider called Mega Files, where you can host your files and download it or let your friends download it. After clicking on the link 1, you can see we have redirect to Mega Files. Now click on the download button. As for me, I have already downloaded this script earlier, so you can just click on download and it will get downloaded. So the first step is complete. Now the second step is you just need an hosting and a domain name. If you got one, that's great. If you don't, just log on to hostinga.in. After logging into hostinga.in, you can see that they provide a premium web hosting for 149 rupees per month. I like this hosting plan because it provides various features, like it gave me 100 websites, free SSL certificates, where GoDaddy you have to pay for the SSL certificates, and it provides you free email also. So just click on login button now. If you want to buy hosting from Hostinga, I will just put a link in the description and you can use that also. I will log in through Google. If you are still watching this video, then a subs to the channel would be great. As you can see, I have now redirected to the hPanel of Hostinga or hPanel. So now you have to click on the manage button. After clicking on the manage button, you will redirect to the dashboard of Hostinga or hPanel and click on file manager and open the database also in other tab. Just click on file manager and open the database section in other tab. After clicking on the file manager, you can see we are redirected to the hPanel or cPanel of Hostinga. Currently it's empty, so what you need to do is just the downloaded file, click on the downloaded file and unzip it. I have already done that, so just click on it and you will find that there is 3 folders: documentation, install and update. On install, right click and compress it and create a zip file out of it. After creating a zip file, you just go back to your cPanel or hPanel and click on Files. And find your zip file in this folder. Go to Downloads, Active E Commerce, and install.zip. Just open it. And wait while the file is uploading. Just go to the database tab, which I previously told you to open in the new tab. Yeah, my SQL database. So right here, we just need to create a new database and a database user. It's very simple. Just type in the name, database, and password, and click create. For me, I just used active.ecom, and you can see my database name, my SQL user, and the website. That's it. Just go back to the public html.com. Just create a archive it. Create a folder called ecom. After that, just click on ecom folder and just click on install. After clicking on install, just select all the files in this folder and move them to file/public HTML. As you can see, there is file/public HTML. Click on move, and all the files have been moved to public HTML. Just click on ecom folder and delete it. Go down, install.zip. We also don't need it, delete it. So we have finished the step 2. Now the step 3 is log on to your website where you hosted this. For me, it's basarath.yasin.xyz. After logging on, you will reach this Activation E-commerce CMS installation. So click on Start Installation Process. After clicking on Start Installation Process, you can see that all the files have the permission. Just go to the next step, and now purchase code. You can find the purchase code in the description or in the blog. Now, database host. So you can see if you are using cPanel, you will have the database host there, and if you are using hPanel, it's always localhost. Just write localhost and then copy the database name from here. The first one is database name. Go back, paste it here. And the second one is database username. Copy it and paste it here. And the password of the database. After writing the password, just click continue. Click on import SQL. Just wait for a sec. And after it's completed, just type your admin name. For me, it's Basarath Yasin. My email and my password and system currency. I live in India, so for me it's rupees. And click continue. As you can see that there's a demo account added for test purposes. You can use those, or just click on go to front end, and you can see this is the front end of our website now. As you can see, the basarathyasin.xyz have this, and if you want to log in to the administration panel, just click on login and enter your admin credentials. Click login and voila, the PHP scripts has been installed on your server. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.